From the workflow section of the setup menu, we can customize the form screens that make up the subscribe process. So we can see here on a single opt-in form, we're currently viewing the subscribe form. So this is the subscribe form here. If we click on form complete, this is the screen that will be shown when the user has successfully completed the subscribe form. So at the moment we can see it says thank you for joining our mailing list. We can mouse over this block, click on the edit button, and we can customize the text as much as we want to. Alternatively, we can go changing the content. So why don't we put a nice picture in? Let's click on content, let's drag an image block over, and let's put it beneath our text. Okay, it's now asking us to attach our image. Let's click on browse, and we can select an image that we've uploaded. So let's find one of our images. Let's put this picture of a golden retriever in. Click on use file, and we can see our image has been added. Perhaps it's a little bit big, so let's click on style, let's shrink the size down, and perhaps let's put it in the middle. Click on save and close. Perfect. There's our thank you message with our dog. When you finish making your customizations, just click on subscribe form and you can go back to the subscribe form page. Again, at any point, if you wish to see the form complete screen to make more edits, click on form complete. Alternatively, if you've got a double opt-in form, you will see that the workflow screens have changed. We've got our subscribe form, the form complete, email verification stage, and subscribe complete. So let's look at form complete. We can see we've got our default message that now says we've just sent you an email to confirm your subscription with our dog that we put on earlier. Again, we can mouse over any block to edit it. Email verify, so this is the email that they will be sent in order to verify their email address. We can see here we can mouse over any element to customize. And finally, when they click on that subscribe button on their email, they will be shown this subscribe complete form. Again, you can mouse over it to customize it as much as you want, or if we click on the content tab, you can add fresh content. When you're done, we can click on subscribe form to go back to the start of the process.